Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos on CapCut PC. So firstly, you are going to select the export button and you are going to name the title of your video. Then you're going to select the folder that you're going to export the video to. And for instance, you want to save it in this folder, you're just going to select it or go to another file if you wanted it to, and then select folder. And then for the resolution, you can choose from these options, also for the bitrate and also the rest and also the format and also the frame rate as well. Once you're done, you're just going to select export like so. And to find that file, you can just select open folder here, and you're going to be able to find the file that you exported. Press OK, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!